Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change keyboard settings in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by launching Roblox app on your device. Now join any game. You need to be inside a game to access the settings menu where you can change your keyboard controls. Once you're inside the game, press the escape key on your keyboard or tap on the Roblox icon from the top left corner. This will bring up the Roblox menu. In the menu, click on the Settings tab. You will see various options related to camera, movement, and input controls. Here you can change settings such as movement mode, camera mode, mouse sensitivity, FPS, languages, and many more. To change keyboard settings, click on the arrow icon of movement mode. You have 3 different options. Choose the one that you prefer. After that, simply tap on Escape button. And that's how you can change keyboard settings in Roblox.